Hey, this is Ross. I'd like to give you a quick little demonstration on how to open a Thinkpad Carbon X1 3rd generation. Looks like you just start by, there's approximately 6 screws here. Seems they come out fairly easy. And from there, you just simply remove the cover. Still have one screw. And this appears to be the inner workings of it. From what you can see, we have the hard drive right here. This appears to be an Intel 7265 AC wireless card, and this whole area is a very large lithium-ion battery. Indicates 3.29 amp hours at 50 watt hours, although the certification here in China does indicate less. There appears to be a case switch right here. It's a small switch that is used to identify whether it's been opened or not. Well, everything looks rather nice. The only concerning thing is there appears to be a fingerprint up here, a thumbprint actually, probably from assembly. Hope they're wearing gloves. Other than that, very long heat pipes are used. They tend to, from what I understand, be full of deionized water, as they're excellent heat conductors. The length of it is a little concerning, but I think that should be fine. Overall, very rock-solid laptop. Hopefully, if anyone's doing any upgrades, they can easily do this. It looks like it's only one screw to remove for a hard drive upgrade, one screw to remove for a wireless card upgrade, and they left a half-size PCIe slot for other upgrades. I don't see any RAM upgrades. I believe this appears to be the RAM. It's kind of soldered onto the main board. A little disappointing. You know, people tend to upgrade their laptops quite often, but apparently that's not the case from Lenovo's understanding. Well, and reassembly, rather simple. Seems to be a much easier approach than going through the keyboard. Overall, seems to be a great laptop. Thanks.